Good day, fellow cadets. My name is Cadet Cantal from BSMT1 Section 131. And for today's video, I am going to make an oral recitation about what is equipment to be used during painting works. To keep yourself safe during any residential or commercial painting project, you need the right personal protective equipment or PPE. Gloves. The number one is gloves. Always wear your gloves to protect your hands. Leather or cloth gloves are sufficient for sanding. Solvent-resistant gloves are required for handling paint, thinner, and other solvents. Impermeable gloves are best for water and oil-based paint. The second is eyewear. Use protective eyeglasses, eye goggles, or a face shield whenever handling paint or paint thinners. It is especially important when painting above your head or spray painting, as well as when sanding. The next is the paint mask. Wear a dust mask or particle respirator when sanding. If you are very sensitive to chemicals, you should also wear a respiratory mask when using a brush or roller. Note that if you are painting outside in an area with lots or birds, you may need to wear a mask to protect yourself from harmful pathogens and bird droppings. When you are to spray painting, you are best advised to use a paint respirator, as this offers more protection for your airways. So, the most important part of PPE is the coverall and shoe covers. A disposable or cotton coverall and disposable shoe covers serve to protect both your clothing and any exposed skin that could become irritated by contact with paint. The next one is the hard hat. If you are working at heights, a hard hat is a wise safety precaution, as it can help protect your head if you fall. Additionally, if you are working on a busy construction site, it will protect your head if an object falls on you. The last is the fall arrest. A fall arrest system can consist of single carabiner or double carabiner that can be attached to a railing to prevent you from falling. It often comes with a harness that straps around the torso and legs for added safety. And scaffolding may also be used in some situations to prevent injuries from falls. Then the fire extinguisher. It is always important to keep a fire extinguisher on site in case there are any incidents with flammable materials such as paint thinner. Surface equipment that be used while painting is 1. The brush painting. Brush painting is the most basic type of painting. It is commonly used to paint wood, for example, window sills, door frames, and other woodwork. It is also used for decorative paint styles and can be used for walls. The risk associated with brush painting includes spills on skin as well as paint splashes in the eyes, because a lot of brush painting involves oil or solvent-based paint. It can also cause headaches and breathing issues. The second is the roller application. Roller is frequently used for interior walls and ceilings. Risks include paint splashes on the skin and the eyes. Painters can also run the risk of pulling a muscle or incurring another type of injury due to working in uncomfortable position for a long period of time. This may not seem like a big deal, but if you are doing this as a profession, the damage to your body can compound over time. Paint rolling can also come with respiratory risk without proper ventilation or respiratory protection. The third one is the spray painting. Spray painting is most often used for large surfaces such as lobbies and exteriors of large buildings. Painters run the risk of getting paint particles in their eyes. Paint particles and fumes may also irritate their respiratory system. For this reason, health and safety precautions and equipment are extremely important for spray painting. This often includes protective eyewear, clothing and respiratory protection. The fourth is the painting at heights. The painting of anything that is not at ground level can be dangerous. Painters can injure themselves severely by just falling off step ladder. Those who work at heights must take considerable safety precautions as a fall could be fatal. This may involve scaffolding or safety harness.